Good day, everyone. We are the developers of the Kitty Shen Store Inventory System. Before we begin, let me introduce to you the members of our group. I am Amy Jane Ansing, and this is Eva May Montimor, Raja Emma Saudi, Normalin Basala, Chris Takto, and James Noel Apatan. Together, we developed this system to make inventory tracking easier, faster, and more organized. The main goal of our project is to create a simple yet reliable system that can manage products, monitor stocks, record sales, and generate reports without confusion and manual errors. Now, let us walk you through the system step by step. First, the registration page. The old registration page allows new users to create an account by entering their informations. It works properly and saves data in the database. This is the basic starting point before logging in.
Second is the login page. After registration, the login page lets users enter their username and password. Once their credentials are correct, the system brings you to the home page.
The next one is home page. This is the main dashboard of the old system. It displays the navigations buttons that lead to different modules. It is simple and functional, but the design is very basic. The fourth one is category management. This page allows you to add and delete categories. It functions properly and updates the list instantly.
The next is product management. In this page, you can add products with their details such as name, category, price, and quantity. Stock automatically updates when a sale or purchase is made, even in the old system. The next is the purchase management. This module records purchases from suppliers. When you add a purchase, the stock increases automatically. The process is simple and straightforward.
Next is the sales management. This page records sale transactions. When a sale is created, the system reduces the product stock automatically. The old system already handles the stock reduction without errors. And the next one is customer management. This module stores customer information such as name, contact number, and email. It is basic but functional for sales referencing.
And the last is the stock overview. This part displays available stocks. It also includes a generate report button. In the old version, clicking the button creates a CSV file report, which lists all products, categories, stock quantities, and prices. This helps store owner check inventory status anytime.
And now, this is the updated system, a new and improved version. First, the registration page. In the updated version, the registration page now includes additional fields, the user's name and email. The layout is cleaner, more organized, and easier to fill in.
Next is the login page. The login page now has a more modern design. The login process remains the same, but the page is visually improved.
Next, home page. The updated home page has a much cleaner layout with updated colors and better spacing. The order of the buttons is now arranged clearly as category, supplier, product, customer, purchase, record, stock overview, customer sales. Also, the purchase and record buttons are now colored blue to make them stand out. Updated System Management Module. Category Management. This module is now upgraded with new features. Search bar for quick filtering, edit modal for updating categories information, delete functions with better confirmations. The design is cleaner, making navigation easier. Supplier management. Since supplier is now added on the homepage, the supplier page include search bar, edit modal for updating supplier info, delete functions. Everything is displayed in a neat and organized table.
The next is the product management. Improve with search bar, edit mobile with a pop-up form, delete option. The layout is cleaner and stock updates still work automatically during purchase and sales.
Next is customer management. The updated customer page now includes search bar, edit modal, delete function. The new design make it easier to manage customer records.
The next is the purchase management. The updated design is cleaner and it still increases stock automatically whenever an item is purchased.
The next one is sales management. The updated layout is more organized. The button color is now blue to make it noticeable. It continues to automatically update stock whenever a sale is recorded.
Next is the stock overview. Show the current inventory with improved spacing and readability. The generate report button still create a CSV file, but the formatting of the output is now cleaner and easier to understand. Next is the customer sales. Display all customer sales transaction with better table formatting. Details include sales ID, product, quantity, price, total amount, and date.
Both the old and updated versions of our system are functional, but the updated version focuses on improving user experience, organizing the layout, and adding useful features like search bar, edit models, better button arrangement, and a more polished homepage design. The system remains simple, reliable, and efficient for managing store inventory. Thank you for watching our demonstration.